Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fade in and fade out music or audio using Alight Motion. So if you want to create smooth audio transitions in your videos, in the Alight Motion, using Alight Motion, I'm going to show you how you can add fade in and fade out effects to your music or audio clips for a more professional and polished edits. So here I've already opened the Alight Motion apps on my device. And to start, you can just tap on the plus icon and then choose the ratio of your projects and also the resolution, frame rate, and everything. And the background, I'm going to just go with white and tap on create project. Now the project, a blank project or a new project will be opened. Sorry about that. And now you can just tap on the plus icon to add your video. So I'm going to go with media, allow access. If you are new to Light Motion, in here, for example, I'm going to just use this videos right here. Okay, now you can just add the audio that you want, the music. So tap on a plus icon again at the bottom, go to audio, again allow access. Now choose the audio that you want. For example, I'm going to just go with this one. You can click on the plus icon. And now to start adding the fade in and out, you can just follow this step. So click on the audio file, and in here you can just go to where you want the fade in to appear. So for example, I'm going to just go with 1 seconds point 30. Okay, I'm going to go here. You can just click on this volume button and then add a keyframe in here. Now go to the end of the audio and here go to this. You can just go to where you want the fade out to start and then add another keyframe. Click on a plus icon. Now in the end of the video, add another keyframe, and since this is a fade out, so lower the volume down to 0 like this. And now go back to the start of the audio, this one, and at the start click on the volume again. Since this is a fade in, so add another keyframe but lower it down to 0 at the beginning, and on another keyframe you can see on next keyframe it will increase. So there is this fade in effect. And that's how you can add fade in and out effects on audio using Alight Motion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.